The most powerful tool for your presentations is Microsoft PowerPoint. Using Microsoft PowerPoint, you can make powerful presentations with the help of its unique features which are not available in same kind of softwares. There are three unique features which makes it most powerful software from other softwares. Three main features of this are template designs, transitions and animation. There are lots of template designs available in PowerPoint. You can see on the screen. Design option is available in this. You can see it here. Lots of designs are available. Along with that, there are different variants in the single design. If I choose this design, and you can see here are different variants which you can use on this. So you can use any variant of this. Along with that, you can also format your background. If you want to change the color of your background, you can change it here. You want solid fill, you want gradient fill. If you want to change the color, that can be done from here. Picture or texture fill, that can be made. And there are so many other features, that is pattern fill. You can make different kinds of pattern as you like. So there are so many options with this. The second option is a transition. You can see lots of transitions are there which can be further extended by clicking this button. You can see some more transitions are there. For example, first one is subtle, second one is exciting, and the third one is dynamic content. Dynamic contents, if I click on this, then you can see this type of transition occurs. If you want to make it, it becomes like a cube. If you want to do this, then you can see it here. So there are different options available. Along with that, there are some effect option which is associated with each transitions. You can select effects from here. That is, for gallery transition, you can see from right, from left, from where, from the direction as you want. For every transition, there are different effects options. You can select it from here. Box is there, comb is there. You can select it from here in this way. If you select horizontal, that will work in this way. Pan, and from left, from right, as you want, you can use them. So there are lots of transition options available in PowerPoint, which makes your presentation more attractive and more powerful. Now let's move its most important feature, that is animation. Animation is just after transitions. You can click it on it. You see there are no effects are available in this, or everything is in light color. If I click on any of the text or picture or anything which is available in my slide, then you can see these are no more light color. These are now with different colors. You can see them here. First one is entrance, second one animation type is emphasis, third one is exit, and the fourth one is motion path. Let me explain one by one before using them. Entrance effect is used for entering the text in the slide. So if you want to enter some picture or text in the slide, then you should use entrance effect. For example, if I want to enter these properties of bar magnet, so I can use any of the animation from here. For example, if I choose fly in animation, it will come out in this way. There are different options available along with this, as in case of transition. Here are effect options, effect from left, from bottom left, and different options are there. You can choose any one of them. Yes, one more feature is there, that is sequence. How you choose your sequence: as one object, all at once, by paragraph. As one object, it will treat everything which you selected as a single object. If you choose all at once, then everything appears at once. For explaining this, I'm using this text box this time. Here are the different options from bottom, from left, from right, from top, and so on. Different options are available. Shape, if you want to use shape, then these are available in this way. You can see, and by paragraph. it will do one by one in this way. So I think it is now very clear how these options, that is all as one object, all at once, and by paragraph, are used. Now let's come to the second type of animation available in this, that is emphasis. Emphasis is used for your text or pictures which stays on the screen, and if you want to highlight that, then this type of effect is used. For example, you select this one and you want to emphasize this on the screen, then you can use this. It will pulse. If you want to use any other grow and sync, then you can use this effect. So this effect can be used. Now along with this, there are effect options are also there. How it is in both vertical, horizontal, only vertical, then it will work like this. All at once, somewhat like this. So in this way you can use different effect options. You can use other options which are available in darken, lighten, transparency, object color, and everything which is available here. The next one is exit. This effect option or animation is used when your text or pictures goes away from the screen. One thing I want to clear here is that it is different from transition. In transition, you move from one slide to another slide. For example, moving from one slide to another slide is comes under transition. And when you are working with the slide and you want to animate in a way that the text or picture disappears from the screen, then this exit effect is used. There are different options are available nearly equal to entrance effects, so all those effects are also available for exit. So these type of effects are used. For example, I use a random bars. You can see it here, the text disappears. Different effect options are there, how it works, that is vertical or in that. I think motion path option is the best option for all those who want some extra animations or different types of animation in their presentations. If they want to animate some object, they want that some object moves from one place to another place as on the path they want, or in a circle or in a line, that all that types of options are available in these options. So let us see how it works. The first one is a line. Line is used to move the text along a line. For example, I select this and I am using line option. Then it will move from one point to another point as the line you select. Here is the line. Here is the starting point and this is the end point. If you want to make this end point somewhat like this, then it will end at this point, start from here and end at this point. You can choose this line at any point. You can adjust this. So the object will move only along this line. Effect options are there, left, right, up, down, any way you want. Reverse path direction. So reverse path option is direction, reverse direction, that it will not start from this point to this point, but it moves from end point to starting point. That is the reverse path direction. Another one is arc option. If it move, you want to move it along an arc, you can change the path according to this. If you want to change the path, you can make arc somewhat like this. It will move along this arc. This turns, if you want to make any change in the path of this turn, you can make it, you can change it like this. So this is the way. Shapes, if you want different types of shape, loops and custom path. This custom path is the best feature for making or moving the text as you want. That will move along this. This is used, for example, if you want to make a bowl or some type of material in your presentation and it moves from one place to another place like this, then you may use this kind of effect. So I think custom path is the best option for all those who want to animate their text or animate objects in their videos or educational videos, because in educational videos center and earth can be moved around this using custom path as you want. This animation can be used as per your requirement. If you want to make any path, you can easily make with this custom path option. So these are the some of the options which are available here in PowerPoint. Now let's move further. In every animation tab, you will observe that there is another option, add animation. If you want to use more than one animation at a time, you can use this. For example, I am adding some entrance on this. Now I want to add some more animation. After that, it is pulsing also. If I want to make a exit, you can see it here, it will exit. Now I'm playing it from starting and it disappears. So this is the way by which you can add more than one animation at a time or an on a single object. So this is the add animation is used for this. Now along with all these, there are some more options which are available here. More entrance effects, some more entrance effects are available here, you can see them. Similarly for all, that is more emphasis effect, more exit effects are available. More motion paths, if you want, you can see different types of motion paths are available, so you can use them from here. Next point is animation pen. Animation pen is here. What kind of animation you are applying to your text or pictures or whatever material which is present in your slide can be seen here. You can see there are some numbers. These numbers represent which effect will play first. Second number means it will play at second. 3 means it will play at third number. So different numbers are there. You can see same types of number are also available there. If you want that number 4 animation should play before number second, then select this using your left click of your mouse and move it or drag it just above the second number. Now you can see the effect which was at number 4 is now at number 2. If you want that this effect should play at first, then again the same method is there. Select with your mouse and drag it just before number 1. It will become number 1. So in this way you can change the playing number of your animation. After that option is trigger, which is used to trigger the your animation. That will be based on some conditions, like if first box appears, then along with that second also appear. If first box text box or text disappears, this one appear. So depending upon that condition it will trigger, so you can apply trigger from here. Now one more and most interesting feature which is available here. If you want to change or do some more with your transition or animation effect, just double click on this. You will see this type of window will appear here. Here are the three options: effect, timing and text animation. First one, let's discuss about effect. The first option in settings is path, how the path will move. Since I selected this text box and custom path is there, so that will the case here, locked, unlocked. Second one, smooth start. Now you can see it doesn't start immediately, but it will slowly moves. That is not visible here, but you can see for a larger times it will appear. The next option is auto reverse. If you want that this will auto reverse to its initial position, then you can make it here like this. It also reaches back to the same position. So this is the auto reverse option. Again, enhancements. If you want that some sound will play with this, then it will do. You observe that some voice will play, some sound will play. Animate text. If text is there, how that will appear all at once, by words, by letters. You can see it here. I am just playing this in this way. This effect I will show you later. Just a second. You can see it here. I selected by word. By words means it will appear by using word by word in this way. So this is by word. If you want select it by letter, then you can see it here. It will do with letters. And if you want, if you use all at once, you can see it here. It will appear, whole of the text will appear at once. So these are the options which were available in this. Next one is timing, how it will start on click, with previous and after previous. With previous, I will show you here. Here are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. With previous means as animation reaches to a second number of animation, then it will play with that. For example, I am selecting it with previous. Okay. You can see two number is here. Here is also two. So with this previous, with previous, all the numbers will be same. You can change it here. Timing and on click. And this time you will see this is 3. If you want that it will appear by itself after previous, then you can select it from here. After previous, it will appear again 2 and 2, since it is a single animation. So these are the different animation options which are available in PowerPoint. About more interesting animations, I will talk in upcoming videos. Till then, you can subscribe the channel and press notification icon so that as soon as video uploaded, you'd get notification and you can watch them. Thanks for the watching.